My name's Milton Stratos. I'm an attorney at Joye Law Firm, predominantly focused on premises liability and automobile accidents. My wife is also an attorney, not in litigation. She's in the healthcare space. Our daughter is 11 months. She's really the joy of our house and our focus at home. When I'm not at home with the family, I enjoy just about anything outdoors. It could be fishing or hunting, hiking. Travel is definitely one of my most favorite things. My favorite trip was to South Africa. We got into a boat and went to Seal Island. We got into a big steel cage and we were able to actually see the great whites. It was an amazing experience. My grandfather was a criminal defense attorney, as was my father. Watching my grandfather represent criminal defendants who were at their worst time in life, and watching my father represent criminal defendants who were in dire need of legal representation were definitely driving forces. Seeing them actually in court, in litigation, and truly representing their clients with everything they had against the system made me want to become an attorney. Critiquing the attorneys in the courtroom, I began doing that at a young age because at our dinner table, we didn't really talk about normal events. We might talk about athletics or my academics, but a lot of it surrounded litigation, fairness, and the law. We represent individuals who have suffered some loss as the result of someone else's negligence. I am tremendously invested in every one of my cases. I don't think my brain ever shuts down, and I can probably say the same of every other attorney at Joye Law Firm. One of the most impactful cases I've worked on was actually early in my career. It involved a widow who'd lost her husband as a result of a defective product. None of the largest firms in town would agree to help her. We investigated the claim and eventually settled the claim successfully. It resulted in a large outcome for our client, provided her with some stability moving forward in life, but it also resulted in the recall of a high number of these particular products, which likely prevented future injury to an unknown number of persons. Before I walk into a courtroom, I am incredibly confident that I have a handle on all of the facts, all of the witnesses involved, and I will give my best effort to bring about a successful resolution.